Oh, hello guys, welcome again. So as you had seen in the thumbnail, so this video is about Shilpa Medicare. So we have a good opportunity on this Shilpa Medicare for the short-term investment. So here in this video we'll be discussing what is the stop loss for this and how much returns we can expect from this Shilpa Medicare stock. So let's start. So before going to that, so let me show you my page, which is Trading Science. I'm posting the good opportunities here with a screenshot, and this will be very helpful for learning also. Recently I have posted Tech Mahindra and Sun Pharma, so those are given very good returns within a day. And you can see now I have recently posted JSW and Ashok Lee. So just go through this site. It will be very helpful for you. So let's get into it. So when it comes to short term, we have to check in higher time frame always. So let me show you the main thing here. Let me show you to go to 1 month time frame. So you can see here I have already drawn the trend lines. So it had given the breakout here at the month of July with a good volumes. You can see the buying volumes here, very good volumes we have. So here this I can say this is very good time to buy, or you can add some quantity if you're not confident. And so possibilities are there. It can go from here, like you know, it can be give the straightforward momentum like this. Okay, or else it can retest these levels and then bounce back from here. So in these two scenarios you can do one thing. So if you are not confident on these, uh, you can take some quantity here at the price of 600 to 620 in between. I'll show you that why we need to take that price only. So and if it when it comes to retest at this level 540 something, so at this level when these touch at this level you can add the full quantity. Okay, below that I am not expecting to no, it will cross and close the candle below that. So this is the base point 550 to 570, this range. Okay, and I'm not expecting a retracement up to these levels. I'm expecting the big move from here in this stock. So what is the stop loss for this if we take this trade? Okay, let me go to smaller time frames and check. This is a weekly time frame. So I suggest this will be a good stop loss. This will be a good stop loss for this trade. So which is 490 something. Okay, and why I suggest 600 to 620 range for buying, in the sense, let me go to 1 day time frame. You can see after the breakout, this is a breakout and it had given a retest and went up. So again it is coming down. So I am expecting 600 range from where, let me draw you 600. This range you can see 600 to 620. This range is a supporting range, so it can bounce back from here again. Okay, so this will be a very good buying range, or else if you can take the risk with 10 points or 5 points difference, you can buy it now itself. Okay, now also no problem with that's not a problem. So stop loss should be below these levels 490. If the candle closes below this level, 1 week candle, okay, if 1 week candle closes below these levels, you can exit, and or else you can see here there is a trend line in 1 day time frame, so you can wait up to this level. So if the candle breaks this level, you can exit as a safe trader. If you want to hold for long time, if you are interested to hold for long time, you can go for the stop loss. Okay, this is a stop loss, which is 490 something. Okay, or else you can go with these levels, like most 570 I can give stop loss 1. Okay, this could be our stop loss. Okay, these are the stop loss. Definitely stop loss is very important in every trade. Okay, but I'm expecting in this trade the straight upside momentum. Okay, so what can be the returns it can give within 6 months or 3 months? Okay, if we keep stop loss here, what I suggest to keep stop loss, and what I'm doing, and I'm expecting the target to reach almost 990, 950, almost in this range. So I can expect easily 60% return in this trade, which is 1:3 almost you can expect. Let me show clearly. So you can expect 1:3 in this trade definitely. Almost 1000 round figure. It is a round figure. No? 1000 could be first my target. But guys, you have to be patient on this target. Not only in the stock, you have to be patient to get a good returns in long term or short term. Okay, I'm not expecting more than 1 year, but I'm expecting it can reach below 1 year on itself. So easily you can take up 50% return in this trade. Okay, and with a 20% of loss. Okay, so take your own risk. Don't take a huge amount of shares, any stock. So spread your capital to multiple stocks. So it will be very good to save your capital. So this is one of my trade I'm sharing with you for the learning purpose also. uh, Try to learn what I'm trying to explain here. Okay, thank you for watching. Once we reach target, definitely I'll let you know again in the next video once it is reached a target. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching. Bye bye.